Okay, this is a consumer warning for the fraud that happens when you purchase net 10 minutes. This entire video is my opinion, but I clearly am going to illustrate how this is a fraud. This is a net 10 phone, and what I'm going to do is purchase 1,500 minutes. Now, my balance is 9,124. When I purchase 1,500, that should be probably it should be over 10,000 minutes when you add the 1,500. Should be 10,600 and something minutes. Now, this is the plan I'm purchasing right here on the Net10 website. It's 1,500 minutes and 180 days of service. And what will happen is the phone will never go over 9999. It's programmed in their system basically to rip customers off. And stand by and you'll see it as I make the purchase.